What it do, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of On Again with Andre Glenn. And in this episode, I'm going to show you how to sublimate on glow-in-the-dark Siser vinyl. Check this out. This is YouTube. I don't have a lot of time, you don't have a lot of time. But the great thing about YouTube is you can slow the video down, you can rewind the video, you can fast forward the video. Nonetheless, I shouldn't have to slow down in order for you to catch up. So, I'm gonna do this black shirt, this 100% heirloom comb cotton Bella canvas black shirt, a pre-press. I'll be lining my t-shirt up with my shirt ruler. Then pressing my Siser glow-in-the-dark heat transfer vinyl for 15 seconds at 305 degrees. Then I'll be laying my digital image I printed with my Sublimation printer and Sublimation paper. Let us proceed. If you have any better tips and tricks for sublimating on glow-in-the-dark vinyl, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. If you like this hoodie, please click on the link right there and you can go ahead and watch the video on how I made this hoodie. Peace.